Hello students, today my lesson is type of numbers and number patterns part 2. I have done the lesson in my earlier video. Please watch that video if you not still watch that. This is the rest of the lesson. I have done up to composite number and the whole numbers. From this video, I hope to complete all the lesson by doing the square numbers, triangular numbers and the number patterns. So, please, if you not subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe my channel, and to get my latest videos, click on the bell icon. Okay, now we'll move on to the lesson. Today we have to learn about the square numbers and the triangular numbers. We'll see what are the square numbers. How can we recognize the square numbers? Can you see this figure? First one I have colored one dot, and second one it has colored 4 dots. Third one it has colored 9 dots, and this one colored 16 dots. What can you see the similarity of these figures? You can see we call the horizontal way, we call them rows, and vertical way downwards we say columns. You know what are the columns, what are the rows. So in first figure there's one column and one row. Row and column is each one. In second figure you can see it has 2 rows and 2 columns. In third figure it has 3 columns and 3 rows. And fourth one it has 4 rows and 4 columns. So you can see, you can understand there are, for each figure the rows and columns are equal. You can understand the rows and columns are equal. And how many dots are there? 1. How many dots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 9 and 16. So dots in a row is equal to dots in a column. The numbers like this that we can represent as a square. You know square, the length and the width are equal. That's the square. So if we can represent a number by a square, we call them a square number. So become a square number, it should be, the number can be written like this. You can see 1 multiplied by 1. We have to multiply the number from the same number. 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4. Then next one 5 by 4. Like that we get the square numbers. When we multiply by the same number twice, we get square numbers. If I write 25 for here, it means 5 by 5. Likewise, you can take many square numbers. So for square numbers, you have to remember the rows and columns are equal. It means we have to multiply by same number twice. So then we get square number. That is the square number. Now we'll see what is the triangular number. What is the triangular number? You can see this figure. In triangular numbers, you can see in first have 1 dot. For 3 have 1, 2, 3. 3 dots. For 6, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. For 10, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. All together there are 10 dots. So you can see the dots have represented as a triangle. 1, 1, 2. We can, if we connect all the dots together like this, we can represent as a triangle. Here also, then you can understand very well. That is what I have to tell you. We can represent a triangle by connecting all the dots. See? So, how we take the triangle numbers? 1, 3, 6, 10. So, first triangular number is a 1. So, first triangular number is 1. For each one, we take 1 as a square numbers also, no? 1 is the first number we get. So, we can take it as a triangular number or square number, whatever. The second number, second triangular number. To take a second triangular number, we have to add 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2, it becomes 3. For second one, we have to add 1, 2, up to 2. Then we get 3, the second triangular number. For third triangular number, we have to add up to, starting from 1 up to 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3. For third triangular number, we have to add up to 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Then we get 6. The third triangular number is 6. Then the fourth one. To take the fourth triangular number, what we'll have to do? Starting from 1, we have to add up to 4. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Then it becomes 10. So the fourth triangular number is 10. Then what will be the fifth triangular number? We'll write it here. Fifth one. So what we have to do? Starting from 1, add up to 5, no? Up to 5. Now what is the answer? 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. Then the fifth triangular number is 15. Likewise, we can take any triangular number. So, if we need ninth triangular number, we have to add starting from 1 to 9. If we want 10th triangular number, I have shown it here. 10th triangular number, we have to add starting from 1 up to 10. Then we can take the 10th triangular number. If you want to 100th triangular number, you have to add starting from 1 up to 100, like that. So you can understand the methodology, how to take triangular numbers. What is the method? I think now you can understand what is the triangular numbers and how to get any triangular number using this method. Now we'll see what are the number patterns. Number patterns. In first example, you can see starting from 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It's an even number pattern. You now know, I have done in earlier my video. We learned even number, odd numbers, whole numbers, composite numbers. So you know what is the even number. So this is the starting from 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It's an even number pattern. We can say it's 2 by 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, like that. Adding 2 for each number, then we get even number pattern. Then what is the odd number pattern? It's starting from 1. It's starting from 1 odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, like that. It's an odd number pattern. Next one. 1, 3, 6, 10, 15. What is this? It's a, we already learned it, triangular number pattern. This is the triangular number pattern. So can you understand what is the number pattern? From these three examples, you can understand what is the number pattern. Each number in a number pattern which has been arranged according to a mathematical rule. There should be a mathematical rule for that number pattern. It may be an even number pattern, it may be an odd number pattern, it may be a triangular or square, whatever the number, there should be a mathematical rule. So that's we called term in that pattern. So now you can understand what is the number pattern. Each number of in a number pattern which has been arranged according to a mathematical rule is called a term in that pattern. Okay, now we done entire lesson. So please watch my first video and this video together, then all the lesson is completed. So if you have any questions, any problems, any doubts, please comment below my videos, then definitely I will reply for them. So, and again, we'll see you on my next videos. Thanks for watching.